Hi, this is Jason with Revin Optics. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install lenses in your Rudy Project Genetic frame. It's a wrap shield style frame, great for bike riding is what a lot of people use this for. I've used them a few times and they work really well. To remove the lenses, you go ahead and take the top edge of the frame here, pull up on it, and then pull down on the actual lens, and it'll pop right out just like that. And then you'll actually want to remove this nose clip as well to add it to your new lens. So what you do is take a flathead screwdriver and you go ahead and turn this to the left, just like this. I'm not going to take it all the way out, but you can see the piece comes apart. Well, I will take it all the way out, I guess. Comes apart just like that. And then to install your new lens, you go ahead and place this part in like that. Take the back end, line it up. Once you have it lined up, you will tighten the screw, just like this. Make sure it's lined up correctly. And then you just want to make it finger tight. You don't want to over tighten it so you don't strip the screw head. And then to install the lens back into the frame or install your new lens, you'll place the outside edge in just like that. And then go ahead and do that on the other side as well. You'll bend the lens a little bit to get that edge in, and then just push up on the middle piece. It'll slide right into the groove of the frame here. And that is how you remove and install lenses in your Rudy Project Genetic sunglasses. To ensure you're getting the most out of your experience outside, we recommend replacing your lenses if you have any damage whatsoever, scratches, abrasions, cracks. You can also customize the look of your sunglasses or pick up different tints for different lighting conditions at revinoptics.com. Once you've replaced your lenses, we'd love to see a picture of them, so go ahead and post them to Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter and hashtag RevinOptics. If you have any questions about installation, your frames, or anything in general, feel free to shoot us an email at support@revinoptics.com and we'd be happy to help you out.